Hey guys, how's it going? How to check saved stories on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram, right? Tap on your profile at the bottom right, okay? Access the highlights, and you're gonna be able to access it below your bio, right? You're gonna be able to see it right here, right? You're gonna be able to access the, the highlights, and tap on any highlight that you to see the saved stories within it. That's it. That's another comment of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.